This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Microsoft Teams. So I'm right here on the main Microsoft Teams download page. You can get a free version of Microsoft Teams from this download page. It's quite a lengthy URL, so I'll put that URL as a link just below this video in the video description. So you can just click on the link and wind up here. Now, the Microsoft Teams download page will know what platform you're on. It's identified correctly that I'm on a Mac. If you're on Windows, you will have the download Teams for Windows version right here. So you'll just literally click this download button, this purple button right here, and just like that, automatically you see that the icon flew up in the top right, which is a universal sign on Mac that it has been sent to the downloads location. Now, depending on your browser, I'm on Google Chrome. Depending on your browser, you will find your downloads location might differ, but on the Mac and with Google Chrome, it is the main downloads folder. So once you have found your downloads location, you will just open up the installer and follow the instructions from there. Hopefully you found this video on how to find and download Microsoft Teams useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like